In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when the ad post to your story is missing or not working on your Instagram. So I'm on the homepage of Instagram right now, and if I just go to this post and I tap on the share button, that little airplane icon underneath the photo, if I tap on the airplane icon, you can see at the top it says add post to your story. If I tap on that, I can now add that post to my story, and that works. Now the situation where that isn't going to work is if I just scroll down and I go to, let's say, this post right here, you'll notice that this is an ad. It says sponsored underneath that. And if I tap on the airplane icon again, you'll see that the add post to your story option is not available. So what you need to do first of all is make sure that you're not trying to share an ad onto your story because you cannot do that on Instagram. Now, if you aren't trying to share an ad to your story and it's still not popping up with the add post to your story option, what you can do is you can go out of the Instagram app, then go to the settings on your phone. Once you're on the settings page of your phone, you just want to scroll down until you find apps. Now the process is different on an iPhone. I think you need to go to general and then storage, and then you'll find your apps, but you just need to scroll down until you find the Instagram app. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Okay, so there's the Instagram app. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on it. Then I'm going to tap on storage. And now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the cache. And then the next thing you want to do is clear the data. Now, when you clear the data, that's not going to delete your posts or your account or anything like that. What it's going to do is basically just reboot the app and reinstall some of the key elements of the app so you have a fresh restart. Because if the add post to your story option isn't showing, most likely it is a bug. So just clear the data. And then once you've cleared the data, you can go back into Instagram, and the add post to your story option should be available. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.